Aloha, my name is Cameron Ryan. I'm going to LCC and I work at the Halau. I'm from Waipio. I was born and raised in Hawaii my whole life. I'm studying to be an internist, and right now I'm just doing my liberals. So internist is like a general practitioner. With my degree, I want to help the Hawaiian community and just help people in general. I want to do something where I can be hands-on with other people and help them. My drawing is entitled King Kamehameha Wants You because I felt strong about America's propaganda, especially during World War II with Uncle Sam, and how he would persuade a lot of the American people to join the army, the military, to protect America. And so what I did was I twisted that and put King Kamehameha as in Uncle Sam's place instead, to kind of persuade the Hawaiian community and bring them together. And I chose King Kamehameha because he was the first Hawaiian leader that rose and brought all the Hawaiians, the Hawaiian Islands together. So that was very symbolic for me. I used color pencil and crayon. I just wanted to keep it simple and nothing too spectacular, but yeah, so